Hey, I'm Aurora.
I'm Matt.
This is my husband. And we're self-quarantining here with the coronavirus outbreak, and we've decided to be productive. Actually, Matt's decided to be productive because that's what Matt does, is he produces things.
Now that our house is 3 years old, it's time to remodel it.
Yeah, so we've decided to remodel the house now that we have some spare time. So it's been 3 years since we moved in here, and we originally had a master closet plan, which had this gorgeous view, which I'm going to show you in a second. And now that we've been living here, we really do need the master closet space. So this is Braylon. She is also sitting here on quarantine. So we're going to do some remodeling, some projects, and Matt thought it'd be a good idea to share what we're doing and maybe inspire others to do some fun stuff. So anyway, okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll take a look at the space. And everyone who's been to our house knows that our playroom was really, really full. So this is a huge feat in itself. It took us a long time to do. So we've been working really hard. So here we go. Day one of crazy remodel the house.
Crazy Corona remodel.
Yeah,
Crazy Corona remodel.
The crazy Corona remodel. Okay, hold on one sec. All right, so we're gonna start over here at the door. So we've got a house. Somebody built this house really close to that one next door. Who did that? Me. I did that. Okay, so this is now going to be the playroom / bedroom that it always was supposed to be. And this area over here that was supposed to be my master closet will now have a hole in the wall right there. And there's already a doorway framed, so don't worry. This is already in the plans for the house. Our lovely builder put sheetrock over it for us because we changed our mind because we love this view. So anyway, so we're gonna get this view now from the closet, which will actually be kind of nice. So anyway, we will keep you updated on our progress and kind of let a little bit of our lives so that everyone can see it. And everyone that's social distancing, I have this bear hug hat here for you so that you can have a hug.
Super puppy.
Yeah, and we have Super Puppy too. So anyway, all right, have a nice day. Thanks, bye.